終點啊，翻咗嚟啊，好滾動啊，好嚟玩啊，玩得完啊，好感動啊，個個方都圍啊，個個方都充滿疑惑，撞下咁啊，得閒就翻下轉頭，玩得完啊，好感動啊，哇，真係你打開個咩？來來得一片迷茫。兩日仲盡，時間就唔好啦，但係都叫做玩得完，真係好難玩。咁咧呢度咧就係 Event Village，呢度係滑雪場嚟嘅，滑雪度假村。咁咧嗱，我哋呢啲咧唔過夜嘅咧就拍呢度。咁咧喺度過夜，琴晚喺度過夜或者前晚都喺度過夜嘅咧就拍裏面。咁多啊！嗱呢啲咧就係露營車區啦。佢哋咧有啲咧喺西班牙咧，即係4月尾5月頭喺西班牙嗰陣已經見到佢哋噶啦。佢哋咧係一路揸架車玩到嚟呢度，因為原之呢個幾月咧都係哇你話好靚，呢個幾月咧一路都有啲 event 嘅喺歐洲，所以咧佢哋咧係沿住嗰啲 event 跟住 event 去旅行，咁咧沿住啲 event 一路咁揸嘅，咁咧即係旅行車，呢個係我非常羨慕嘅嘢嚟嘅。但係咧租旅遊車咧喺歐洲嚟講咧就好鬼貴，同埋個車咁大咧，歐洲左軚又路窄咧，咁咧我啊少嚟歐洲未夠經驗，唔敢住，咁啊睇下或者遲啲再計下數，睇下負唔負得起先喎。我最摯愛嘅摩球壺喺度煲緊咖啡，嗱咁咧嗰邊嘅露營車區啊，呢啲咧就泊車區啊，咁咧，因為咧呢度咧都有啲咧屋仔咧，即係幾人房啊、瞓床位，共用廁所啊、共用洗手間啊、共用浴室啊嗰啲嘅，即係咁咧，如果有翻幾個人都 OK 嘅，自己一間房，咁我一個咧就唔計啦，我咧就唔中意撈埋人哋嘅，咁啊嗰啲咧咁唔方便嚇，咁咧跟住咧就嗱，佢除咗租房咧，佢哋咧。就仲可以紮營嘅，咁咧佢哋咧營區咧就喺呢邊，所以咧我見到咧好多人咧玩完之後咧，除住條底褲周圍行嘅，除住條短褲仔，嗱呢度就係露營區，嗰度就住屋區，嗱露營區就紮晒咁多營啦，你睇人哋，哇真係好正啊！如果喺呢度住，有晒架撐，歐洲人有晒架撐真係好正啊！好開心屋企，哇大營時候。少有少住，大有大住，天氣好係非常 OK 嘅。嗱咧 BB 都嚟嘅，越野 BB 車。好啦，咁就翻去啦。嗱咁呢度咧就係餐廳嚟嘅，咁佢係滑雪場餐廳啦。咁啊呢度有啲吊車吊上去噶啦，滑雪季節，咁啊一路吊上去，咁啊滑啦。咁啊呢個廁所啦，呢度係買嘢食飲嘢啦。嗰個我都想飲啤酒，但唔飲得，因為咧佢就嗱呢度係可以洗有水嘅洗車。我話呢度準備頒獎喎，2點半，而家係未夠1點。咁呢度咧就係人哋幾爽，呢度有晒賽事資料啦。呢度係40屆嘅咩 exhibition， 咁咧就擺晒啲相出嚟。咁啊咁樣啦。Finish.
Which course are we? Which course did you do? 55? I think we were doing the same course.
Oh yeah, no, lost every time.
What time? What course? This one?
No.
Oh, W50.
Yeah, 50.
Oh, you're a young lady. Oh, I'm glad I didn't follow you then.
You are young too.
In the head, but not in the legs.
You are very young
You're
too.
doing well. Good.
Yeah. Where you come from?
I live in Portugal.
Portugal.
But I am English. But I live in Portugal.
Oh,
Portugal.
did you go to the Wellmaster?
Oh, yeah. You were there as well. Did you win?
Sure, no. Finish is okay.
Same as me.
Yeah, look,
Finish every course.
Very satisfied.
Yeah,
finish.
It's hard today. Very hard.
difficult.
Very
difficult.
Many mistakes.
Yes.
Many.
Yes.
All the time mistakes.
Yes. Oh,
okay. So, are you going to Czechia?
Yes.
I will see you there.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah. Can take a photo?
Wait for you. Wait. Oh, Sophie. OK.
1, 2.
Come closer. Yay!